everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to paint this IZONE Violeta inspired design. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. Then paint your index fingernail black, your middle fingernail a neon turquoise, and your ring fingernail blue. For the index fingernail, I'm going to be using cling wrap to apply white and neon polish sparsely, and then I'm just adding a bit more of the turquoise on top. For the middle fingernail, I'm just going to be drawing a horizontal line in gray and filling in that bottom section with more of the same gray. Now once that is dry, take a light gray polish and draw a vertical prism. Then fill that in to create the base for the glass prism. Now I took the turquoise shade and I mixed it with some grays and white to create the shades for shading, and then beneath that I'm using a series of grays, dark grays and light grays to create more shading. And I also did the same on the left. Then I added the actual shadows that the prism casts. And for the ring fingernail, I'm using white polish to draw two lines, one horizontal and one vertical, that intersect in one point, and then I'm just going to color that in with pink. So now I'm just going to top coat these three designs and move on to the pinky and thumbnail. For the pinky, I'm just adding a base of silver holographic glitter and then applying a latex barrier around that, and then just add the same silver holographic glitter to a sponge and sponge that onto the nail. Once you have the opacity, then just remove the latex barrier and apply top coat. For the thumb, I'm going to be painting it a light green. And then I'm just going to be drawing IZONE logo on top. So you're going to start with a sort of asterisk star shape, and then that goes into a curve, which is the circle or the O in IZONE. And then in the center, you're just going to draw a sort of diamond shape with a horizontal piece that breaks up the two halves. And then I'm just going to be writing the N, then the E, the Z, and of course the I. Top coat this design. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this IZONE Violeta nail art tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comments section and leave a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!